Dark matter is everywhere. All the heavenly bodies you can see constitute less than 5% of all the universe. The rest of the matter is a mystery. Physicists name the rest of the invisible mass in universe as dark energy and dark matter. We can't see it, nor do we understand it, but we know it's out there.
Dark matter is invisible. Dark matter doesn't interact with light, so it is invisible. The only way we know it exists is that it influences the universe in several unusual ways.
Dark matter binds galaxies like a spider web. Dark matter has a powerful impact on heavenly bodies. It has a gravitational pull, which draws the matter to it. With so much of dark matter around us, that it gels all the heavenly bodies at their proper place.
Dark matter warps the appearance of the visible universe. We can see the effects of dark matter simply by looking up at the sky. When you observe the distant galaxies with the powerful telescopes, the galaxies will appear a bit stretched or distorted because of the gravitational lensing. Gravitational lensing is because of gravitational pull caused by dark matter. The gravitational pull is so powerful that it even bends the light.
Physicists have devised dark matter maps. Physicists have been able to put together maps of space, indicating the spots where dark matter is hiding. Physicists look for relic radiation. Relic radiation is a leftover from the Big Bang. More radiation means more matter. In this way, physicists identify hotspots where higher levels of dark matter may be concentrated.
No one knows the ingredients of dark matter. Physicists say that dark matter is made of a new type of fundamental particle. We are well aware of photons, electrons, quarks, etc., but there can be wonderfully different particles in nature, waiting to be getting discovered. Dark matter may be composed of few of such particles.
Dark matter may be a fake ghost. Dark matter might be an unknown and undiscovered particle, or it might not exist at all. Some physicists believe that the effects associated with dark matter may be actually just caused by gravity. Maybe gravity has few hidden traits, and we don't know about them yet. Those attributes may be responsible for heavenly bodies acting in a certain way, and we are giving the credit of the action to dark matter, which might actually not exist at all.
Dark matter particles collide. If dark matter really exists, then its particles may collide once a while, and it may release radiation as well. To search for signs of this radiation, Dark Energy Survey Collaboration has created an advanced detector, known as DCAM. DCAM is currently installed on the Victor M. Blanco telescope at our American Observatory. Some interesting results have cropped up, but the search for hard evidence is still on.
Underground, dark matter investigation labs. If any hard fact for dark matter is ever found, it must be very minute. To record these miniature signals, labs have been constructed deep inside the Earth, so that there will be no interference. UK, North Yorkshire, Canada, and Australia are few of the countries who have underground labs to investigate the signs of dark matter.
The riddle of dark matter will be solved soon. Dark matter is still shrouded in mystery. We are not sure if we can understand it fully, but the new advancements in science have given us hope. We might reach closer to its truth, and once its true nature is unraveled, it will transform our understanding of space, and everything within it.